As you can tell, this is not a Centurion. We'll get into that in a moment. Turning instruments are working. So we're going to go pick up my buddy Patrick, and then we're going to go to Reed Hillview. Taxi up to hold short line. Emergency takeoff procedures. If anything happens as we're rolling down the runway, reduce power, stop before the end of the runway. If we lift off and there's runway left in front of us, reduce power, settle back down to the runway, stop before the end. There's no runway left. We're below 600 feet MSL. Going to turn left and follow the railroad tracks. Above 600 feet MSL, we're going to come back on 08. We've already done that. You got real low. What the flippin' heck are you guys doing out there? That is a really flat approach.
Trace traffic, Skyhawk 254, clear of 30 at Bravo. Tracy, taxiing back for another round.
Tracy traffic, Skyhawk 52702, taking runway 30 for a left crosswind departure. Tracy. Airspeed's alive, 55. Tap the brakes, pull the gear up. Tracy traffic, Skyhawk 52702, left crosswind 30, Tracy.
Tracy traffic, 702, are you staying in the pattern or are you departing to the southeast?
I'm crossing the bay, so just the left crosswind.
Roger, have fun out there. Are you getting some actual, some IFR out there?
Negative. Tracy traffic, Skyhawk 52702, departing the area to the west, 1,700, last call, Tracy.
November 52702, NorCal departure, radar contact, 2 miles east of Livermore Airport. Stock altimeter is 2994, say altitude.
2994, 3,100 for 702.
November 52702, contact NorCal approach, 125.35, have a good day.
2535, have a good day, 702. NorCal approach, Skyhawk 52702, 3,000 descending.
52702, NorCal approach, San Carlos altimeter 2999.
2999er, 702. So just recently, the Taking Off channel, Dan Milliken, Chrissy Wong, released a video of me coming out and about the engine out I had in November.
We have somebody here today with just such a story. He had an engine failure on takeoff, and he happened to have a camera rolling when it happened.
Always good to have the cameras rolling. Ed Fry, Ed, thank you so much for coming on the show. Thanks, we appreciate it. Glad to be here.
So they just released the video interview of my engine out the other day, and I think it was a good interview. Those guys are amazing. It was really fun to come out and do that interview and of course meet everybody out there. But you might be wondering, why am I not in 503 Alpha Tango? And that's because it's down for maintenance again, and I really don't want to get into it, but we're going to go check it out today and grab some lunch with my buddy. So here we are in a rental again.
November 52702, contact San Carlos Tower.
Over to Tower, 702. San Carlos Tower, Skyhawk 52702, 1,600 with pop-up.
Skyhawk 52702, San Carlos Tower, in the right base, runway 30, port cement plant.
Right base 30 at the cement plant, 702. Carlos Tower, 52702 over the cement lane.
702, runway 30, clear to land.
30 clear to land, 702.
As it turns out, when I arrived to San Carlos, the airport was closing in less than 5 minutes, so they wouldn't let me leave. Instead, we grabbed breakfast at the Sky Kitchen and watched the RC Air Show. Once the air show was complete, I was out of time and had to get the airplane back to Tracy for the next reservation. Be sure to check out my interview with Dan Milliken and Christy Wong on In the Hangar, and we'll see you here hopefully real soon.